Going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Chevy Malibu key fob here, and today we're going to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is right here on the left side of the key fob there's a button. We're going to push that with our thumb, and then we're going to pull out the emergency key. Now we're going to split the remote open. All right, now if you notice that the remote has a split here, and all the way that runs through the center of it, that's where we're going to open it up at. But we're going to use the slot that the emergency key came out of. Okay, and we don't want to just jam this all the way in here. That's not going to work. We just want to use the very tip of it pretty much to just pry it open. Okay, see how I'm doing this here, how it's opening up. And we go around and open up the rest of it. Okay, take it off. On the back side of the remote is where the battery is. Use this screwdriver, pop out the battery, and I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing down. We just put it back into the holder like that. It just clips right back in. If you need one of these batteries, I'll have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon. So have a look at that. And I'll have the size down there too if you need that again. Just you get the two halves, push them together. Start at the top and work your way down. And emergency key goes in. You're good to go. Well, hope this video worked out for you. And if it did, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. And I hope to see you again in another video.